the software. You need to open the software. Go to Spectrum.
Alright.
Then first you need to connect the software.
Okay.
Then you need to wait until the software is ready.
Alright. Now we can put the cuvettes, water with respect to water. Okay. For the calibration.
We do the calibration, whatever solvent we are using.
Alright.
For example, if our sample is made in some ethanol, acetone or anything else,
Okay.
then we need to calibrate our system using the same solvent.
Alright.
So that it will minus the background of the solvent.
Okay, that's great.
So here you can save the sample. So if you do edit,
Alright.
you can create a new
Folder. Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
new
Alright.
folder.
Folder is
It's
already
already
created. Alright. Alright.
So here save.
Alright.
Okay. Because it is already created now.
Alright.
So here you can set the wavelength range,
Alright.
like from where to where you need to do
Alright.
the scanning. So it is 200 or 250 up to 700 U. Okay. Okay, save. Okay. It's baseline. Okay. This is just for taking the blind.
Alright.
baseline. This takes time.
Now it's done from here.
Yeah. The baseline, or you can say the blank, has been measured.
Okay.
Now we are removing the water.
Alright.
And we will put our sample in it.
Alright. So this is how much microliters you want to set here?
10.
10 microliters.
Yeah. This is minimum from 10 to 100.
Okay.
It's already there.
Alright.
Because the concentration is same only 50 mg.
10 microliter.
Okay.
Yeah. And we add 200
Yeah.
Diluted.
microliter.
Not 200. 1990 or 2 ml you can add.
2 ml. Yeah, it is set already 1000 microliter.
Yeah. I take
2 ml.
because 10 microliter
Okay.
make much. Exactly you need to add 1990 plus 10 means making to 2 ml.
Okay.
But since 10 microliter not make
1990. Change.
it is okay to directly.
Okay.
Okay.
Cleaning the cuvette from
Outside.
outside.
Mix it.
Okay. It's mixing. Then
There will be no fingerprint or something or water.
alright.
Should be on the cuvette. And we place it. And then just start.
Yeah. You can put the sample in it. This is control.
BAGACD microwave A.
This is 0.25 mg. BAGACD, right?
Yeah.
start. Okay.
If you are not getting any spectra, visible spectra, you can increase the concentration.
All right.
Instead of 10, you can add more.
All right. All right. How long it will take? Like
This will take 2 minutes.
2 minutes. All right. After 2 minutes, we'll get spectra here.
Yeah.
If we'll not get any spectra, then we have to increase the concentration hours of our sample. Okay, we have got the spectra,
Yeah, we
right?
have the spectra
Now we
here.
have to
So you
save
have to
it.
select this one,
Okay.
then go to file. You can save the data or whatever you
Alright.
want. Or if you want to export the data,
Mhm.
what you can do is first open a Word Excel file,
Okay.
then click here. So automatically all the values will copy to the Excel
All
file.
right. Here,
Yeah.
the option you have to select Excel, and
Excel, yeah.
automatically all the
Yeah.
values will be added here in the
Yeah.
Excel.
Export it to the Excel.
And
you
then
can
you
you can save this like
Alright,
file.
alright. That's
the same folder
All
if you
right.
want.
All right.